Greetings to all. Welcome to RKIT Hub Institute. I am Kavita from RKIT Hub Institute. Today I will explain how can you use change case function in Excel. Because sometimes some have the problem how can you convert the name in lowercase, uppercase and proper case. So in this video, this is the solution of this problem. But before starting the video, please subscribe our channel and like this video. So let us start. How can we use change case function? So let us start. How can we convert any name in lowercase, uppercase, propercase and length? How can we count the total number of character in a string? So first the function is that lowercase. So suppose we have the list in capital words like as Dipans, Aman, Akshara, all these name display in capital case. So that's why our requirement is that we want to convert all capital words into lowercase. So for display in lowercase, first of all use is equal, then use the lower function, bracket start. After that you click on that word which you want to convert in lower. So first click, then close the bracket and press enter key. So the pass has been converted in lowercase. Then if you want to display all name in lower, so again put the cursor in that cell in which you have to put the formula. Then double click in the small right side corner points, double click, all name will be displayed in lowercase. Then in the second uppercase, suppose in the second step you want to convert all lower words into upper. Upper means capital. So for display in capital words, you can use the upper function. So for use the is equal sign, is equal, then use upper, then start bracket and click on that string which you want to convert in upper, then close the bracket and press enter. So this name has been converted in uppercase. Then again click on that and double click on the point, all name will be displayed in upper. Now second function is the proper. Proper means sentence case, means capital each character of every words. Okay, so basically we use proper case in every list. So you want to display every name in proper case. So for display the proper case, you can use the proper function. So for displaying the proper function, use is equal, then proper, bracket start, and click on that words which you want to convert in proper, then close the bracket and press enter. After that, put the cursor again on that cell and you can drag also. If you don't want to use double click, then you can drag the function, because this function will be applied on all cell and all words will be converted in proper case. Second is the length. Length means total number of character in a string. Basically we use single character and string. What is the meaning of character and string? Basically single character is the alphabets like as A, B, C, D, and string is the group of character. So always our name will be displayed in string. String means group of character. So that's why we want to calculate how many characters are in a string. So for counting the total number of characters in a string, use the len function. So is equal len, bracket start, then click on that word from which you want to calculate the total number of characters, then close the bracket and press enter. Again click on that cell and drag it. So you can notice all total number of character has been displayed in the cell. Dipans 8 character, seconds 4, Akshara 7, 5, 5. So with the help of len character you can count total number of character in a. Now next function is that we want to join two strings, for example name and surname. We want to display in a single name, means you want to join this word, then you can use concat function. So for using concat function, assign is equal, then type concat. After that select the first string, then use comma, next second string, then close bracket and press enter. But the main problem is that there is no space between Dipans Malik. but we want to display the space. Then for displaying the space, again type the concat function, then click on first string, then comma, after that double quote start, space, double quotes close and use comma, then click on second string, then close the bracket and press enter. Here you can notice display will be displayed between two words, Dipan space Malik. Then double click on that word, and if you will type the surname after applying the formula, for example Dahiya, then automatic surname will be displayed with the name, full name. Okay, so guys, these are the string function. String function means the function which you can only apply on the string. Concat, lower, upper, proper, and with the help of length. Len function is also can be implemented on the numerical value. This function used for only both string and character, so and numerical value. So len function can be applied on number and character also. Thank you. Have a nice day.